पसंद है, एक गाना गाओ। ऐसे पूछने से उनका मेंटल कंडीशन क्या है, उनका जवाब से हमें पता चलता है। अपनापन जो महसूस होता है तो वो हम लोगों के साथ कुछ शेयर करना चाहते हैं, उनकी दुख भरी बातें जो और कोई सुनने के लिए राजी नहीं था।
But there are some who will perhaps never be cured, like Bhakti Lata. She has completed her PG in chemistry and was working in Delhi when she was hit by acute schizophrenia. She gets all kinds of hallucinations and changes her persona. Today, she believes she is a snake.
चक्कर में जब रहती हूँ सांप मेरे से चल जाता है, वो रहता है मैं सांप हो जाती हूँ। मैंने जब नहीं आ पाई वो सांप से रहती हूँ। चक्कर मेरी फ्रेंड है सांप।
And there are those who are so severely ill or physically and mentally challenged that they can never survive on their own.
10 to 20% patients, those we think that will be resistant to the treatment. Ultimately, we have to think in terms of a long stay hospital or a stay institution. We have to devise so that they are dependent on us. Though we are giving them a cure, that cure is not enough for them to live independently in the society.
Poverty forced Lakshmi to beg. She was given shelter by a shopkeeper in Uttara who promised to marry her. She was asked to leave after she got pregnant. Ashra volunteers spotted her when she was about to deliver her baby. That was 2 years ago. She has been staying here ever since.
स्वामी उत्तरार अच्छी भुवनेश्वर उत्तरार
सरकार सिनोनी के छुआ को
सियाव चाहे मैंने आउ जाना चाहिए कहेंगे आप कौन आएंगे मर भाई मोबाइल वासे तीन मिनट रह भी नहीं।
Of the 160 inmates at the Ashra home, at least 40 are teenagers, and most of them have been victims of sexual abuse or taken for a ride by their lovers. Pinky, barely 17, and the daughter of a trolley rickshaw puller, is pregnant. 2 years ago, she eloped with a man who seduced her and allowed his friends to sexually exploit her. She cannot say who is responsible for the baby she's carrying, but she's clear she does not want an abortion. Some of the women were pregnant when they were rescued from the streets. 7 of them have delivered their babies here. Their babies were born in the last 2 weeks.
अभी 4 औरतें जो बच्चे पैदा करने वाले, 1 महीने 2 महीने 4 महीने 6 महीने, हर महीने तो कोई आ जाता है बच्चा, तो अभी 7 है। उन लोगों को भी हम छोड़ नहीं सकते कहाँ पे, क्योंकि उनका जो मदर्स वो भी बहुत सेंटिमेंटल अटैच उनके बच्चे के साथ। अगर वो चला जाएगा तो उनका फिर जो दिमाग का हालत और ज्यादा हो जाएगा।
These unwed mothers have nowhere to go, like this Adivasi woman from Kyonjhar. She was in a state of stupor and cannot connect with the baby she delivered a month ago. But the baby is now the darling of the inmates.
La 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 la, पकड़ने याद है? La 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 la.
Music is an integral part of the treatment process, and while some of the women are good singers, it's an activity everyone seems to enjoy. Inmates in Ashra are privileged to have top Uriya singers and composers as part of the advisory board. They visit the campus regularly and entertain the inmates.
म्यूजिक एक मेडिसिन है जो डायरेक्टली हमारे मन के अंदर घुस जाता है। तो म्यूजिक के जरिए बहुत सारे मानसिक परिवर्तन ला सकते हैं। हम लोग कहते हैं कि म्यूजिक मनोरंजन क्या है? मानसिक परिवर्तन है। अगर म्यूजिक के जरिए मन का कुछ परिवर्तन हो गया तो ये थेरेपी हो गया, ये ही चिकित्सा हो गया।
These beautiful objects have been created by people dismissed as mentally ill, and the handicrafts classes at Ashra arm women with vocational skills while encouraging their dormant creative energies.
You cannot make them idle. Once they have come up to certain level to work, I always tell that 1 hour of education, psycho-education, 1 or 2 hours of entertainment, and at least 3 to 4 hours of physical labor. That will keep their day full and keep them full.
These women are lucky to find themselves in this protected and caring atmosphere. But there are at least 3,60,000 mentally ill patients across the state, of which nearly 30,000 people, including about 10,000 women, are in urgent need of medical care and attention. Mission Ashra says there are at least 5,000 homeless women wandering the streets of Odisha.
And it is no doubt of fact that there is no other institution in the state which is giving such a support. So the state government is giving all the support to this organization and would further like to give it any other support that they want from the state government.
In Orissa, there are only 100 beds across 3 government medical college hospitals for nearly 3.6 lakh mental patients. Many of these need indoor treatment, long-term care and shelter. For 50 years until 2003, the state government paid the mental hospital in Kanke, Jharkhand, 50 lakhs a year for the upkeep of 20 to 30 Orissa patients. This has stopped, but the government has done little to either expand or upgrade the facilities in the states or support organizations like Ashra. The most important issue is that, like its inmates, Ashra is itself homeless. It began operations near Bhubaneswar but had to shift to Janla, some 16 kilometers away, at this rented space. Its application to the government for a plot of land for a home and hospital has been gathering dust.
अभी फंड देने वाले भी बोलते हैं कि आपके सर के ऊपर छत है कि नहीं, पैर के नीचे जमीन जो है वो आपका है कि नहीं। तो ऐसे भी हो सकता है 4 दिन में ये जगह हमको छोड़ना हो। अगर कोई विपत्ति ऐसे आगे, कोई आपत्ति आगे कि ये घर छोड़ना है तो हम भिखारी हो जाएंगे। इन लोगों को लेके जाएंगे कहाँ?
Funding has been a major problem ever since Govind Patnaik and his friends started Mission Ashra 3 years ago. Today, there are 160 odd inmates and various agencies send new patients every day. The state government had promised funds to support only 50 inmates. But that is irregular, and in any case, there are more than 3 times that number in Ashra. The resource crunch has affected the morale of those who run Ashra, and with the funds they get being only a fraction of what they need, they are now wondering if they will be forced to close down the home.
बाबा से तो उन लोगों का पेट नहीं भरता, दवाई तो हमको बाबा से मिलता नहीं। देश का नागरिक है, उनका जीने का हक है, उनको खाने का हक है, उनका रहने का हक है, उनका दवाई का चिकित्सा का हक है। सेकेंडली वो सब औरत है, महिला के लिए बहुत सारे हम बनाते हैं। हर दिन हमको खाने का चिंता करना पड़ता है, हर दिन हमको दवाई का चिंता करना पड़ता है। जो मकसद मिशन शुरू किए थे हम लोग, जिस डायरेक्शन से हम चलने चाहते थे, जिस टारगेट था हमारा, वो तरफ से हम जा नहीं सकते, इसीलिए हम बंद कर देना चाहते हैं। अब नहीं, कुछ नहीं मेरे पास बेचने के लिए, और चला नहीं सकता मैं। अगर 2-3 महीने में सारे देश का लोग आगे नहीं आ सकता है तो वो बंद हो जाएगा।
And as the inmates gather for their evening prayer, we wonder what will happen to all these women if Ashra had no option but to shut down.